Hello guys, this is my 5-year-old laptop. So what problem I was facing, that my Wi-Fi card, which is Intel 7265 AC, was not working properly. The problem I was facing, that it was working fine on normal load, but whenever I was trying to do something which is both CPU and GPU intensive, it was disconnecting on its own. So I tried everything from uninstalling the driver, disabling and enabling it, unchecking power management option, and so on, but nothing was working for me. So I thought that my Wi-Fi card has degraded and I might have to change it to a new one. But then I thought, why not just open the laptop and see what's going wrong inside. So I finally opened my cover and unscrew this Wi-Fi screw, and then I carefully pulled off the cable attached with it. You have to be careful not to break it. And then what I did is just took a cotton swab. Actually I used it for the cleaning purpose, and took a cotton swab, and here is my alcohol. I labeled it strong alcohol. So what I did, I'm not going to do it again. What I did, I just took some rubbing alcohol on top of this cotton bud, and then I just cleaned these pins gently, okay, and make sure not to leave any lint here, because that will create a problem definitely. And then I also wiped these pins with this cotton bud or Q-tip, you may say, and the opposite side also, and then I just replugged it, and voila, everything is like new. My connection wasn't going away like it was before when under heavy load and so on. So what I'm trying to say, that instead of just throwing off the parts of your laptop, try to clean the surface and then check if that is working or not, because our laptop gets a lot of dust from the environment we live in, and that dust may cause significant problem to your system, which you may think is a hardware issue. So thanks for watching this video, and if this helps, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.